The National Biosafety Management Agency has also said it will continue to put in place regulations, guidelines and also policies to ensure that products of modern biotechnology are safely deployed in Nigeria. This disclosure was made during a sensitization workshop held earlier on Monday in Lagos, where stakeholders emphasized on the need to ensure that genetically modified products in the country have no adverse effect on human health, animals, plants, as well as the environment. Speaking at the event, the Director General of the agency said the agency is part of efforts to expand its monitoring and surveillance scheme, has also developed a draft national.
Bio means living organisms, biological systems, and then technology means the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. When we put these two terms together, it means that we are applying scientific knowledge using biological organisms.
To achieve this mandate, a functional biosafety regulatory system is required. Therefore, ABNE, being a service network that partners with national institutions and other biosafety initiatives, works closely with NBMA to provide support in building functional regulatory systems for science-based, informed, and timely decision-making in line with best practices.
This sensitization will go a long way in alleviating the fears of many, particularly as it concerns genetically modified food.
No nation can exist as an island as of today. All of us are interconnected, and I always tell people every nation is most nations is just 24 hours away from another developed nation.
Since the introduction of genetically modified organisms, there have been a lot of controversies, and we are aware of this as the regulator of the sector. We have been able to make proper risk assessment on all the genetically modified organisms that we have released in this country. We can authoritatively tell you that none of them can cause any harm. And another thing, apart from that, globally, all the genetically modified organisms released, these have been, risk assessment have been carried out, and there have been a lot of speculation that GMOs cause this, but there's no scientific evidence. The regulation of genetically modified organisms is based on scientific evidence, and it's not by people just assuming that GMOs can cause this, GMOs can cause that. No.